Alright, scene 2. Quiet on set and... Milo, what is that?
Boom mic. State of the art. We can't afford the real deal, so we improvise.
That's literally just your phone on a monopod.
And it works!
Just keep it off the frame. And action.
Operation Breadwinner is a go.
Cut. Good take. Next shot.
Man, it's like an oven in here.
I'm sweating already.
I'll turn on the AC.
Noise? How did we not notice that?
I thought
I
it was
didn't
just
hear
my-
anything,
but I thought it was
Still hearing
ambience
from
I
the
assumed
band
you guys
practice.
had a noise
Authentic.
filter thing or
You
something.
literally
I thought
turned it
was
on.
So
my iPhone's
bad.
I
supposed to-
assumed you'd
That's
fix
literally
it in
the
post.
problem.
Don't look at me.
Hey,
I
I
said we
offered to
test
turn
the
on the
room
fan
first.
You
instead,
didn't
remember?
even say that. Come on.
And the deadline's tomorrow?
Pause. Let's not panic. Let's list down the problems we need to fix. The first problem is the bell.
Operation Breadwinner is a go.
There are different ways to fix this. The simplest way is to re-record the line and dub over it.
Operation Breadwinner is a go.
Another way is to use noise reduction. First, you select just the noise part, in this case the bell, acknowledge it as the noise profile, then select the whole thing and clean up.
Operation Breadwinner is a go.
To fix inconsistent levels, you simply use a compressor. Like the name suggests, it compresses your audio by lowering the peaks and lifting the quiet parts.
Operation Breadwinner is a go.
Another level of complexity is panning your sound to the left, right, or center. That way, it sounds more immersive.
Operation Breadwinner is a go. Operation Breadwinner is a go.
Lastly, you can replicate different recording environments using reverb. Use presets straight out of Audacity.
Operation Breadwinner is a go.
And we're done. Alright, before we wrap this up, let's do a quick recap. Noise reduction is removing unwanted background sounds, like hungs, air, or static, without damaging the dialogue. Compression controls the volume range. It makes quiet parts louder and loud parts more controlled, so the audio stays consistent. Panning places audio from left to right. It helps create space and prevents everything from sounding stacked in the center. And reverb simulates space. It makes audio sound like it belongs in a room, but too much can make dialogue unclear. That's it.